Thank you for joining in and welcome back to this is part 2 of my Viviva haul unboxing videos. This one I will be sharing all the swatches and some artwork. So I'm going to get started here. And there's 16 colors in this pan set. This is one of their newest watercolor, or this is the only pan set, but it's their new hot item. And it has this really nice cork, a little corkboard casing there, and then there's a small separate sheet that you can mix colors, but I know myself, I'm always making a mess, so I'm sitting here at my desk, so I'm going to use my little ceramic dish over there, and we're going to do some swatches. So first up we have Scarlet, and then there's Orange Blossom, Deep Yellow, Rust, which is like a nice lighter brown there, and then we have an Apple Green, which is a really pretty bright green. I would say it's similar to like a May green. And then we have a Vine Green, which is a lot like sap, and then a nice royal blue and a violet on the bottom. And this next color is really pretty. That amaranth, I hope that's how you say that. But anyways, it's like a really pretty purplish red. And then we have a mango, raw sienna and burnt umber, and then a deeper green, a shallow blue, this one's more like a cerulean, and then a deep blue, and then the white on the bottom. And I wanted to say here too that all the pans are nicely filled, everything looks pretty even. There's a nice generous amount there. And you can see how vibrant they are. They're really creamy. And then I'm going to pull out my older sketchbook in a minute here, and then I'm going to do a small piece of artwork so you can see more than just the swatches. But one more thing really quick, I forgot there's this little teeny bookmark that came from my previous video. It was included with this pan set here, and there's a few colors, so I thought I would go ahead and swatch them. That's so cute, the little bookmark. And let's see, there was crimson at the top, vermilion, chrome yellow, the foliage green, that one's really nice, the peacock blue, and a brown, tree bark brown. And I thought the foliage green would be included in the refill sheets, and it's not, just in case if anybody was wondering. I really liked that shade. But it was just the lighter and sap green that are in the refills. And then I was running out of room here, but I squeezed in the brown on the end. And now I'm ready. We're going to pull out the sketchbook here, and I'm just showing that is from the color sheets, like the older ones from the original set, and then the spring set as well. Some of those are metallic. But I'm just showing, like I said, a small piece of artwork here. I'm going to do a more thorough review on the pan sets in a different video. that is it for today's video and the swatches here. Be sure to subscribe, stay tuned for more, and I will have that more thorough review coming up soon.